How do I disable stolen AirPods?
Hello there. In today's video, we'll walk you through a crucial process: how to disable stolen AirPods. This guide aims to help protect your privacy and potentially deter theft. Let's get started.
Understanding Apple's anti-theft measures.
It's important to understand that as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Apple does not offer a direct way to disable or brick stolen AirPods. Unlike iPhones or iPads, AirPods lack a built-in tracking or remote deactivation feature. However, you can take steps to dissociate your AirPods from your Apple ID and limit the amount of personal information that could potentially be accessed by a thief.
Disconnecting stolen AirPods from your Apple ID.
Here's what you can do to disassociate your stolen AirPods from your Apple ID. 1. On your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings. 2. Tap on your name at the top. 3. Go to iCloud. 4. Scroll down and select Find My. 5. Tap on Find My iPhone. 6. Turn off Find My Network for the AirPods. By doing this, you have effectively removed your stolen AirPods from being tracked by your Apple ID.
Changing your Apple ID password.
After disconnecting your AirPods from your Apple ID, it's highly recommended to change your Apple ID password. Here are the steps. 1. On your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings. 2. Tap on your name at the top. 3. Go to Password and Security. 4. Tap on Change Password and follow the prompts to create a new password. By changing your password, you will help ensure that your personal data remains secure. Unfortunately, there is no way to completely disable or brick stolen AirPods as of the time of this video. But, by disconnecting your stolen AirPods from your Apple ID and changing your Apple ID password, you can ensure your personal information remains as safe as possible. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Stay safe and secure.